Hello, and today you are looking at a Jessup barrel line. These barrels are 36 by 18 inches diameter, in very good condition. There are 6 barrels. This is the load side of the machine. So your parts would come in here, you would dump your parts in, it would rise up the conveyor. They would automatically dump into the open barrels. The barrels would then shuttle over through the side here, and we'll go on the inside. Here's where the barrel would actually come in, coming down the trolley cart. Would come up, the hoist would come back and grab it. There are 2 Jessup hoists that are included. Upward rotation on the hoist. They are cable lift. We will go down through the different tanks. These tanks are going to be pumped and cleaned by an environmental specialty company, so they will be extremely clean when they are coming out of here. All of the tanks are polypro construction. As you can see, this line was being used as a burnish line, so there was no power going to it as far as busing or ductwork. It is the U-shaped configuration for the superstructure. Standard Jessup that does have the welded gussets up in the corners. All of the barrels are in great condition. Comes all the way down to the end here. This is just a barrel storage station that they had utilized here. As you can see down on the end, there is a light curtain down there that they have for safety reasons. Also the secondary cable strap as well. We'll go back around to the other side for where it is actually unloaded. So when the barrel is finished, the barrel actually comes all the way down to the end here, dumps down into the chute right there. Here's the actual light bar you can see as it's using as I move my hand up and down to stop the machine. Dumps down into the unload hopper chute. There is a vibrator on the bottom, so it does automatically feed into the dryer system. So we'll go over to the other side there so you can see that. Here are the 2 Jessup control panels that do come with the machine. Have been numerous upgrades over the years. Serial number 90086, all 480 volt. Also, each hoist does have a manual override joystick control operation. Once coming out of the vibratory tub on the other side here, feeds into the Jessup drum dryer. It is electric heat on the drum dryer. They were utilizing a floor scale that they would set their baskets on. As the parts would come out, would drop onto the scale. That will more than likely not go with the machine, as it's going to stay in the floor. Here's the back side of the dryer control panel. It does have a watt low temperature control, on, off, and timers. If you have any questions regarding this two hoist Jessup barrel line, you can contact Lanco Corporation at 616-887-8300. Thank you. Have a great day.